Today I'll be potting some Khang Starr Lemon Starburst plants, pepper plants. I started these with the park seed plugs in my aerogarden. So they got some nice roots on them, but starting to outgrow the seed starting tray. So today we'll be potting these up. I have some soil here that's sterilized. Some people boil the soil, or not boil it, but dump boiling water on it. Some people microwave it, and some people will bake it. And all that does is make sure that you don't have any pests in it. Bugs, bug eggs. So this is sterile soil. And all I'm going to do is try to get these roots in there. And bury it nice and deep. Just putting the soil in there. And kind of hard to do with this wooden spoon here. I think I'm just going to use my hands. I just have this is regular pre-made potting soil. You can make your own with compost and peat moss, perlite, or vermiculite. I still have a couple bags laying around from last season, so I'm just reusing that. Push it down. You do want it nice and loose, or at least well draining. You don't want it packed too much in there. But this is the first one to sprout on me, so I'm doing this one today. It's outgrowing the aerogarden. If you've ever had problems with like mold or anything like that in the past, you can try to stay on top of it with some cinnamon or hydrogen peroxide solution, well diluted. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on there and try to try to stay on top of it so that it doesn't become a problem in the future. It's a natural, like pesticide and fungicide. So. Generally, I set these in the tray and water, bottom water it. All right, I'll update you in a couple of weeks and let you know how it's doing. Thanks for watching.